So you've unboxed your myFirst Fone R2. Now what? The first step to activating your child's new smartwatch is to download the myFirst Circle app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. From there, sign up by creating an account using your phone number. You can now choose how to receive your one-time password. If text is not coming through, please choose the voice call method. Make sure your phone's settings are open to receive calls from unknown numbers during the setup. After your number is verified, type in your desired username, password, and other info. Now turn on the watch and go directly to the settings menu. Connect to your Wi-Fi, wait 5 minutes, and restart the watch. While the watch restarts, create your child's account by inputting their username, password, and the parent's email, plus other info. Now we are ready to link your account to the myFirst Fone R2. Now that your watch is on, it should display a QR code. Select Link Your Child's myFirst Phone option in the app to scan the code. Type the verification code shown on the watch onto the app to complete binding. Your myFirst Fone R2 is now active and bound with your child's and your account. You can now add approved contacts, set up class mode times, and GPS frequency times. Adding contacts is the first step to getting the most out of your watch. From Settings, click on Contacts, then the plus on the top right. Search for your contact by their username without the @ sign. If they do not have the myFirst Circle app, you can invite them to join here. You can add them to your child's account here as well. Once they accept, they will be a part of your contacts and can be assigned to your child. You can see new contact requests from the same contacts page. You can accept or deny the request, assign a recognizable name, and put them in the correct group, whether it's family, friend, or acquaintance. On the homepage of the app, you will see the location of the watch. You can now message your child within the app and vice versa. Your child can now voice and video call approved contacts. SOS is also active. Your child can long press the SOS button on the right side to alert you and automatically send you a message with their location and a 30-second sound recording at the time of the SOS button press.